Hey guys, Ben here from the Fibreglass Factory. Today I'm going to show you what we've done on this Winnebago motorhome. Before we do that, if you could do us a favour and hit the subscribe button, that'd be fantastic. Alright, so this Winnebago came in and we had fiberglass delaminating at the edges of the roof. And so what we've had to do is we've had to cut that off, and then we've re-glassed the sections on the side of the roof and then filled over the top of it, and it's ready for flow coat on the roof. So here you go, you can see how we've had to re-glass all along the sides. Both sides we've had to do this, and we're just about ready to flow coat it with white flow coat, and she'll come up looking like brand new. There was a few other things we had to do as well. There was a broken hatch at the top, and we had an aerial that was snapped off, so we've ordered a new aerial, we fitted that, we've replaced the hatch. One of the boxes down here, she was concerned about the hinge. It wasn't sort of attached to 100%, so we glued it and screwed it, and it's a lot more solid now, so we used the best glue we could find. So, and we also made it seal a little bit better as well. We put a little bit of glass on the inside of it, so it pushes up against the rubber better, so hopefully it won't leak for her now.